Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. And do you know what is the most expensive commodity ever traded? If you think it is gold, or if you think it is silver, or if you think it is a diamond or titanium or whatsoever, you are likely to be wrong. And I'll tell you what is the most expensive commodity ever traded is the time, right? If you are having time and if you are spending it for yourself, that is going to be the wisest thing you have ever done in your life. If you are spending your time for others, right, that is going to be the worst thing you have ever done. So don't waste that your time, your precious time, for others. Make use of the time for yourself, for your own benefit. Be greedy about your time, and if time goes, it is very hard to buy it. See, you can buy, if money comes and goes, right? If you lose money, you can earn it. If you lose your girlfriend, you can get hundreds of girlfriend, no problem. If you lose some luxury, if you lose some your car, you can buy another car. But if you lose your time, it is going to be very very hard to earn, right? So just be careful about your time. And I know what you're thinking. Enough of a gyan. Tell me whatever you want to say. You are asking, we'll see what is going to happen in terms of market. Actually, before going into the market, let me tell you, we have a webinar on Saturday, January 6th, which is going to be a 6th of January, Saturday. It is going to be our expiry day trades. So if you want, you can join the webinar, for which the link is on the description below. And in terms of our trading today, we made a profit of around, let me go to the screen. We made a profit of around 20k, which is very very, I wouldn't say very small, but it's a decent profit. But what to do, like markets were super volatile. We found it very hard to trade today's market because of spikes, choppiness in the market. And we are seeing these kind of spikes for a very like it's been around for a long time, right? And we will continue to see more spikes, because lots of people are coming into expiry day trades. And you know that Sebi is forcing, or like all whether it is Nifty or whether it is Sensex, they are pushing people to do expiry day trades. And why they are doing is because they want to earn money, and that is what they are doing. They are pushing everyone into expiry day trades because they want to generate revenue, right? So that's a whole different ball game. We'll see that in a different video. For now, we will see what is happening to the markets. And if you see the markets, or if you have seen my yesterday's video, we told that markets are likely to go on the higher side, and that is what has happened. Today was Nifty, and no matter what happened, bears were not able to hold Nifty below 21,200. 21,200 was a super strong support, and bulls were able to close somewhere around 21,282. Now, in terms of Nifty and Banknifty, we have one more expiry, two more expiry. Day after tomorrow, we are going to have Nifty and Banknifty expiry, after which we are going to have Sensex and BankX expiry. So both of which are going to be the last expiry for this calendar year. And I can tell you, it is going to be very very choppy. And if you are an expiry day trader like me, you will have to be very careful in terms of trading these expiry day trades, right? So we'll see what happens in terms of Nifty. For now, I am expecting somewhere Nifty to go. You know that I have been saying 21,000. Let me change this to a daily time frame, and let us say this 21,000. I think this chart has gone crazy. Some problem is having. This 21,500 is going to be a very very strong resistance, and we have seen it in previous weeks also. So if you can see here, on 19th of December, in fact Nifty went all the way till 21,580, and bears immediately took action and brought it down almost to around which levels, around 21,000, even below 21,000, exactly around 21,000. So we are at the top, right? We are almost at 21,500. In fact, Nifty is just 500 points above just 500 points away from 21,500. So the possibility of rejection is very, very high at 21,500. And in terms of Bank Nifty, I can tell you there is a very, very strong resistance at 48,000, right? So you have to watch these levels. Nifty is around 21,500 and Bank Nifty is going to be 48,000. If bulls are able to cross above 48,000 and 21,500 in terms of Nifty, we are likely to stay ahead or likely to go on the higher side. And I'm sure every year we can see that last trading session, it is sentimentally they don't try to sell stocks. They just hold it, or MSCI rebalancing whatsoever. So there might be a choppiness or there might be a volatility in the market, but markets are likely to go on the higher side even if there is any dip or even if there is any fall in the market. Markets are likely to go on the higher side. That is my perspective about the market. And all the US market, US futures, whether it is Dow Jones, S&P or Nasdaq, is all in the green, and even FTSE is in the green. And in fact, today's expiry, if I have to talk about today's expiry, it was very, very brutal. And we were like we just missed in a small thing, just 10 points or 20 points we just missed. You know that there is not going to be enough premiums in any expiry date trades, and that was the case today also. We didn't have much of an what to say, premiums, in spite of India VIX jumping more than around 7.08%. So that's a huge jump in India VIX. So you will have to be very careful. See, you have to understand that whenever this 21,500 in Nifty and 48,000 in Bank Nifty comes, India VIX is jumping. So let India VIX come down, or let us say what happens tomorrow. If, let's say, hypothetically, if we are gapping up tomorrow, we might see somewhere around 21,500, and then if India VIX is cooling down, we might go on the higher side. But due to some factors, due to fear factor, due to the factor that the market may reject at 21,500 and 48,000, people believe that India VIX is going high. That is why India VIX is going high. So let me put it this way, right? So we'll see how things pan out. I don't think I have the FIA data. Let me check if FIAs have sold or bought, and I'm sure they would have bought. Let us see if it has come. FIA data, FIA data, people say FIA data is one of the important data, but I don't see any significance in FIA data, because I don't believe this FIA data, because it is a lagging data, it is not an it is a lagging data, and you are getting end of the day data. So what is the use of having that? Yeah, till now we haven't got the data, so till we are having just 20-second data. So let's see how things work out. For now, don't short this market or don't go long in this market. All you have to do is non-directional strategy, and you will make money in this market. That is what we are trying to say, right? So make sure you do some non-directional strategies, and I'm sure you are going to make good money. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.